Welcome back. In this video, we'll create a sketch that sends a laser bar-style pattern to a shift register using the shiftOut function. By alternating between two binary patterns, we'll create a flashing LED effect that simulates motion. This is a great example of how we can control multiple outputs using just a few Arduino pins. Let's start by creating variables for the latch pin, data pin, and clock pin. These will connect the Arduino to the shift register. Create a 500 millisecond delay. Now declare and initialize a byte variable named LED1 with a binary value of 0B, 01010101. This will control the on and off pattern for the blue LEDs, and another byte variable for the red LEDs. Since we have 3 pin variables, we need to set their mode to output in the setup function, so the Arduino can send signals to the shift register. In the loop, we will first set the latch pin low, then use the shiftOut function to send the binary value in LEDs1 to the shift register. Set the latch pin high and then add a delay. Now let's write the same code block for the red LEDs. Verify and upload the code. Son of a chicken, we got an error. Latch pin was not declared. Let's check the highlighted line and then scroll up to review the variable declaration for any spelling or capitalization mistakes. Upload again. Awesome, it's working. That's weird. My LEDs came on in order and then just stopped. What did I do wrong? I see. I declared the variable data pin as 13, but the pin is on 12. Great job. You just created a dynamic LED pattern using a shift register and the shiftOut function. If you have any questions, contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen. See you in the next lesson.